Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with the Internal Revenue Service. Welcome to my YouTube station. It's the home of the 5-minute or less video. I thank you for listening. I hope maybe you subscribe to me. I give you a lot of good former IRS agent insight into Internal Revenue Service. I tell you the things you need to know. You're welcome to go ahead and leave me comments if you want information about IRS or maybe how they work. Many of you have come to me because you've seen me on television, and I have about, 5,300 subscribers as of today. Please look at my website at 777irs.com. You can see the whole cast of characters I work with, most of them former IRS agents. We have tax attorneys, CPAs, the whole bunch. But I do have a lot of former IRS agents to help people, with the problems that they have. So today, I want to talk to you about what you've heard on television and radio and social media about your IRS tax debt that you need to know about. As a former IRS agent and a revenue officer, I taught the offer and compromise program. I used to accept and deny offers. And really what you need to know is these people are advertising, well, if you go ahead and owe over $10,000, please contact us and we're going to be able to reduce your tax debt. That's what these ads and all these commercials say. Well, as a former agent, like I said, I used to accept offers and compromise, or the tax debt reduction thing, or how to settle for tax forgiveness. Those are called offers and compromise, and they came to me. They'll come to someone like me, I should say. And that's all a bunch of crap. What you see, you have companies, first of all, advertising that they can reduce your tax debt. So in your mind, you're thinking IRS will reduce my tax debt. That's what they're telling you on these ads. Then you're going to call the company, and that company is going to do everything that they can to go ahead and tell you whatever they can to reduce your tax debt. And the first person you're going to speak to is a salesperson, and that salesperson is trying to ask you a bunch of questions to find out how much you can pay them. That's what's going on. Then they send your case, and they receive your money, and then they send your case back in the shop to go ahead and have your case worked by usually an enrolled agent, someone who wants to crank these things out. That they carry inventories about 100 or 150 people, and the truth is, you may not even have a shot. The very first thing you do if you want to resolve your IRS tax debt or you want to file an offer is go to the IRS tool itself, the IRS tool for offers and compromise, to see if you can settle your debt. There actually is a tool that you can use. It's called the IRS pre-qualifier tool for an offer and compromise. That's your first step. If you think you meet that criteria, then you look around for a firm. You want to look for a firm that actually you can speak to, an attorney, a CPA, or an enrolled agent. Why? Because those are the only people licensed to file the offer and compromise. No one else can send in and represent you for an offer and compromise but those people. We do offers and compromise at our firm. We're experts in the offer and compromise. So whatever you do, when you see those ads and they look really, really good, like a nice big chocolate cake or something that you like, understand that most of them are full of crap. If you want to settle your tax debt, you got to remember there's a very strict formula, and you're going to do that through the offer and compromise. So after you go to the pre-qualifier tool for IRS, if you think that you can settle your tax debt, you may want to call us, because we're the experts on IRS tax settlement, and we don't take any cases in which we think that you're not going to be able to settle your debt with IRS. If this information was good, I'd appreciate you giving me a subscription. That's really important to us because it helps YouTube know that we're doing good. Remember, don't get ripped off. Thank you for the subscription, and please leave me comments if you want to. Thank you.